Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Greenworks 48 volt push mower, and I'm not actually sure what make this push mower is, but yeah, and a petrol push mower. So with the petrol one, they are quite a bit louder than the electric, and also this one is not self-propelled, whereas the battery one is. So we'll go over the battery one first. Also, if you saw my last video, you'll remember that we did the Stihl petrol strimmer versus the Greenworks battery strimmer, and Greenworks is also make of that mower, and yeah, that strimmer. So if you do go for something electric, if I were you, I'd go for like lawnmower and strimmer, and like, because Greenworks do drills and all sorts of stuff like that. So that'd probably be best if you did go for electric. So yeah, for this mower, you've got this is your speed of your self-propelled. So if you want it to go faster, you push it further down. If you want it to go slow, put it up. And here you've got your button to push in. You push it in, and then pull that, and that turns the blades on. And then if you just do a black one, it just starts moving. And yeah, you're self-propelled. You can just push it if you want, or you can use your self-propelled. If you do just push it, it will save a lot of battery. And yeah, so I'll just quickly do a little video of it. Alright, there we go. So that's a battery mower, and I just stopped because there was a ball in the way, but I'll just stop there. So yeah, it cuts quite well. It leaves a decent cut. So yeah. And now I'll just do a petrol one. So yeah, this is I'm not sure what make it is, like I said, but here you've got this is basically your on and off. So to turn it on, you'd pull this in, and just pull your rope to start it, and to turn it off, all you'd do is let go of that. It doesn't have self-propelled like the electric Greenworks one, or yeah, battery powered Greenworks one, but here it goes. doesn't have a grass collector, so it does leave quite a bit of like chunks of grass. But again, it does leave quite a good cut. Or it would leave a better one if you had a grass collector, but that's a cut compared to the Greenworks electric one. I just moved a bit of grass off it, so maybe I'd see it better. But yeah, so a bit like the review I did on your battery and petrol strimmers. If you're going to be doing like just work around your house, and if you've got a small garden, Greenworks battery one would probably be good. But if you're doing like commercially and you've got quite a big garden, Petrol would probably be the best. So yeah, the probably best make of electric mower is Greenworks, but the best make of petrol mower is probably Mountfield, or yeah, something like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if it was useful to you, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye.